Right then, this is baling with a 6620 on the front of a 2150 baler, as my tractor broke down this morning basically. Just encouraged a bit of straw through, just to basically prove to everyone as to why you need to have more horsepower on this baler, as you'll soon find out. I don't know if you can tell, but baling barley straw here. There's a fair bit. It's not like loads, but it's not too bad a crop. Obviously I'd better. Baling currently at 6.3 mile an hour. As we turn around, you will see this absolutely huge great hill, and basically just to watch this frickin' tractor put it on its knees. So here we go anyways. Right, now down to 800, just over 800 revs RPM. Just about coping with it. As you see there, 5.4 mile an hour, 5.2 mile an hour, 5.1. I think I might have to change gear. And now I've got a lump as well, which is even better. So let's use the clutch, which then means that it's probably going to die even more when we go again. Alright, there we go, yep. Fucking, what a pile of pissing wank. So yeah, that is the verdict of having a 6620, equivalent of about 120 odd horsepower I would have thought, maybe a little bit more, 130 or something, I don't know exactly, on the front of a 2150 massey baler. Pretty damn shite. And that concludes.